Replace fluid according to the factory maintenance schedule. If conditions warrant, it may be necessary to accelerate this schedule. When checking the fluid level, verify that the axle is level before removing the filler plug. The fluid should be even with the filler plug opening. Caution: if the vehicle's rear axle becomes submerged in water above the vent, fluid within the assembly must be replaced. Select each tab to view the steps to replace the rear axle fluid. When finished, select Next to continue. Place the drain pan under the differential. Remove all the bolts from the differential cover except for one or two of the bolts at the top of the cover. Loosen the top cover bolts. Gently pry the lower area of the cover away from the housing until fluid begins to drain. When all of the fluid has drained, remove the differential cover and clean the gasket material from both the housing and the cover. Remove any metal debris that is stuck to the magnet. Apply the appropriate sealant or gasket to the differential cover sealing surface. Reinstall the cover and torque all bolts to specification. Add new fluid through the filler plug opening until the excess flows from the opening. Note that an additive may be needed if it is a limited slip axle. Reinstall the filler plug.